Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add OEX contract address on Metamask. And here is the contract address of the OEX token, and it is in the description of this video, so just copy that and I will copy that from here. So this is the contract address of the OEX token, so I'll copy from here. You can copy from the description of this video, and then I'll head on to my Metamask wallet. So once Metamask opens, all you have to do is to make sure that you are on the core network, and you can see that from here. So if you are not seeing this, if you are not seeing core, then it means you are not on the core network, and you can add core network from this section. You click here and then you scroll till you find core network. If you are not seeing that, that means you have not added the core network on Metamask, and you have to do that. For you to be able to do that, I have a video on that, so just check the channel. I have a video on how to add core network on Metamask. So once you are done with that, you can then go ahead and then add the OEX contract address. So assuming we all have core network added on our Metamask, let's go ahead and then add the contract address of the OEX token. So you just have to click on import tokens from here. So you click on that, and then we are on custom token. So make sure you can see this. So you click on token address, and then you paste the contract address you copied from the description of this video. And then as you scroll down, you can see token symbol OEX decimal. Token decimal is 18, and that's that. You're on the right path. Now what you have to do is to click on import to import the OEX token to your Metamask. So let's click on import, and boom, we are done. That's that. As you can see, we have OpenEX right here, or OpenEX Network token. So there's it. We have it right here. It's not anything difficult, so just copy the contract address from the description and then add it on Metamask. And if you are not finding core, because you have to, it is on the core network. It is on the core network, so you have to make sure you are on the core network before adding the contract address. And if you cannot find core from here, that means you have not added the core network to your Metamask. And in order to do that, check this channel. I have a video on that. You can go ahead and then watch and then follow the step to do it. That's that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a like on this video, give a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you in my next video.